Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one today. As you can see, we are still heavily frosted over from last night. We got down to around about the -6. It is still around about -1.4 at the moment here. Just as you can see as we walk around, guys, we are fully frost covered. Even some of the palms still heavily frosted at the moment. We did, as you can see, guys, we went out with some landscaping fabric and just wrapped around all of the stuff again here. You see that Dixonia Antarctica in a full wrap now. Gonna leave that for today and tonight, as we are expected to get back down again, down to another -4 this evening. But as you can see, guys, it is very frosty still. Almost looks a bit like a snowfall on here. Hopefully, fingers crossed, guys, everything will be all right. You can see pond-wise, completely frozen still. As we have a look down here, and we've still got that little drain pipe just creating a little bit of flow in there. Just off the back, guys, you see bamboos fully lent over with the frost. Washingtonia in the back there again, bit of fleece in the center. Just hoping that's going to save a little bit of the crown if we can. Again, guys, landscaping fabric, just literally tossed it over the top of the Dixonias here. Again, just hoping I can give that little extra protection here, guys. Just as we come around to the back, you can see the shamrocks again, fully covered. We may or may not get out of the frost today. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm just going to keep an eye on the temperatures. But again, guys, as you can see, quite a heavy frost here in Leicestershire, as mentioned, down to about the -6. That was about probably the lowest we got for a couple hours there. Again, guys, just going to really have to wait till spring to see what sort of damage we may have on any of the plants. Hopefully, we're still within the limits on these plants here. But with that said, guys, I'll keep you updated. Of course, if you have not subscribed, liked, or shared, certainly feel free to do so. And with that said, we'll see you on the next one.